Hi guys. Today I will explain about creating account of 2checkout. This is a simple task, and you can see I am on the home page of 2checkout. And from here, take a look on the right top. Here you will see the option sign up for free. Just tap on this option. After tapping on the option sign up, you will be moved to this page where you can choose a plan which suit you the most. There are three types of plan. The first one is to sell. The second one is to subscribe. The third one is to monetize. From here, I will choose the first plan, which is called to sell. So for choosing it, I need to tap on the option, sign up for free. After tapping on the option, sign up for free. Here, I have to fill my information, so let me fill these all. After filling all, enable the CAPTCHA and tap on the option Get Started. And here you have to choose the product which you want to sell on to check out. Like, I will choose online service. After choosing the product, I need to tap on the option Create Account. And now my account has been created on to check out. And the last thing I have to do is I need to tap on the option Log in to my account. And I will be logged in on my checkout account. And it was the way by which you can create to checkout account easy.